Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the SOLPERK Solar Panel Kit 50W 24 volts, a powerhouse of efficiency and durability for all your outdoor energy needs. This solar panel charger boasts high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon cells with a conversion rate of up to 30%, ensuring faster charging, while its corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and toughened glass coating provide robust protection against the elements, backed by an IP67 waterproof certification and a remarkable 25-year lifespan. The kit includes an intelligent 10 APWM charge controller, offering 10% to 20% higher efficiency than standard controllers and safeguarding your battery from overcharging, over-discharging, and other potential hazards, all while being IP65 waterproof for all weather use. Installation is a breeze with pre-drilled holes and adjustable mounts, allowing flexible setup on rooftops, utility poles, or walls, and protective corners on all edges ensure your solar panel remains safe from accidental damage. Designed for versatility, this solar panel is perfect for 24 volts battery systems in a variety of DC applications, making it ideal for RVs, boats, campers, and more, providing reliable power in diverse settings. Plus, SOLPERK offers 24/7 online customer service and a 1-year after-sales service, ensuring you have the support you need whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.